Canada's first Kanye West University course to be offered at Concordia. Oh, wow. That's going to have to be updated frequently, that university course, the curriculum. It's going to have to be some dynamic curriculum. Montreal professor / rapper Yassine Narsi Al-Salman will teach Kanye versus Ye. That's the name of the course. Next semester, he's offering a first for Montreal, Canada, and beyond in the form of a Kanye West University course. By nature of its subject, despite being all about Kanye, the course won't be only about Kanye, as Narcy stated on his Instagram. This class isn't only about Kanye. It's about community, creativity, responsibility, accountability, fame, and mental health, dreams and nightmares, and more importantly, self-actualization. Is the post down? What happened to the post there?
I think I got to log in.
You got to log in.
Oh, no, it's right here.
Concordia University, fall 2022. How does it work over there?
What do you mean?
You have, I guess, a certain number of elective courses. You can take this course just because you're interested, and it doesn't really have any bearing on your profession.
Right.
Your potential profession.
Elective, yeah.
It's just interesting.
Yeah. It's kind of like a credit course, I would imagine.
Just a fun time. I don't know. I'm actually curious. I'm actually curious. It's a fun time, right? I'm not saying you're not going to learn something, but
you're not planning on becoming Kanye.
Well, not necessarily becoming Kanye, but it's not. It's not like a type of application thing where you're hoping to apply the knowledge gained, but it's more interesting.
Yeah,
it's more
right.
Of a.
I watched some masterclass videos like that.
Like what?
Like writing, creative writing. I'm not planning on writing anything, but I think it's interesting.
Are you talking about we're talking about inspiration.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it says here. This class dissects Ye's art, design, music, celebrity life, and cultural impacts in the age of information. Unquestionably a problematic figure, Kanye West is also a maven of all the creative industries he has touched. By using Kanye's albums as a cultural, artistic, and personal lenses, this class studies the evolution of his genius and explores the concept of Kanyeative dissonance, the unique, complex, and controversial natures and context of Kanye's body of work and impacts. A limited number of places are open to fine arts students in a BFA degree. This course can only apply as a free elective. Yeah. Well, I don't know anything about this
college.
I don't know anything about this stuff. Like
Yeah, you kind of have some electives.
I guess if people can come together, they have a shared interest, they can discuss. They can. I guess you can build a curriculum around that.
Yeah.
And
maybe it's motivation.
It actually looks like 47 of the 200 seats have been taken.
I would take it.
47 of 200, and then you look below it, introductory psychology, 0 out of 260.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So maybe you have to put these things in pop cultural context, and everyone's like, yo, that's me.
Celebrities sponsoring courses.
Yo, I took the Kanye course. I wonder if they can get Kanye to show up, or if he's going to find out about this and post about it. I'm sure he would love the idea of being an entire university course.